In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps on how to fix keyboard is not working in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on the option called Device Manager. So wait until a new window would appear here in our screen, which is the device manager itself. And since we're dealing with the keyboard, which is not working here in our windows, then we need to navigate to the keyboards. Click on this forward arrow and it will show your keyboard driver. Make a right click and go with update driver. So it will allow you to choose 2 options. Please proceed with search automatically for drivers. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on this backward arrow to show the previous page and select for Browse My Computer for drivers manually and click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer and please select your updated keyboard driver and click on Next and install that in the Windows. Once done, try to check if your keyboard is not working. However, if not, then you need to move on to the second step, and that is here at the start icon again. Please make a right click, scroll up, and click on Device Manager for the second time. So click on it and wait again until your device manager would appear. And once it's here, please navigate to the keyboards. Click on this forward arrow and click on your keyboard driver. Make a right click and go with uninstall device. So please click on uninstall device and don't worry because when you uninstall that, you just have to restart your computer because once you have restarted it, it will be installed that it would be automatically installed again in the Windows. So that means you are going to reinstall it again the moment you will restart your computer. So try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to move on to the third method, and that is you need to bring up your on-screen keyboard first. So how we can do so? Please make a right click here at the start icon and then scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane where you can see accessibility, and it is being composed of 3 categories, and these are vision, hearing, and interaction. Then by that, we need to navigate to the keyboard and turned on our on-screen keyboard and wait until this would be showing up here in our screen. And once it's here, you can now close the settings and please use this on-screen keyboard. Navigate to the button search bar here and type for. Okay, so once you've typed it, please click on open to continue. And from here, okay, in this kind of window, please click on delete, type for reg edit. Once that, please click on OK. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running the registry editor. Here you need to navigate with the left pane where you can see a list of keys. Please select for edge key underscore local underscore machine double tapped. Please navigate to the system, double tap once again. And under the system, please navigate to the current control set, double tapped. And here, please navigate to the services. So double tap once again and select any of the service or system and type I in the on-screen keyboard. And in that way, you would be redirected to the key named I8042PRT, which what we're looking for. So here, once you have selected it, please proceed to the center and locate with the value named start. Okay, just double tap to it and this kind of value would appear. Please set the value data from 1 and from 3 to 1. Okay, so type on and click on OK. Once you've set it, all you need to do is you need to close this window and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.